Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems. Today is Thursday, February 28th, and I just want to talk to you guys about the idea of filtering applicants. So basically, if you go and you throw your job ad on Indeed or Craigslist and you just give your phone number, that's a very inefficient way to do hiring, because you're going to take every call. It's going to be a bunch of crap leads, and you're going to have to manually filter through all these people. So the better approach, the more efficient, time-saving approach for whether it's you or one of your employees, is to set up systems to automatically filter through a bunch of your applicants before you end up talking to anyone. So by the time you or one of your employees actually gets a hold of an applicant, they've already been filtered and you've already made them jump through some loopholes, jump through some hoops to kind of test them and filter them out, so you don't waste your time with people who are going to waste your time. So the idea behind this is, for us specifically, and I'm actually setting up a hiring page for Ready Business Systems. When I set it up, I make sure that basically you send all your ads wherever you post them: Craigslist, Indeed, Facebook. You don't want to be juggling them in all different places. So you want to send them to a central database, which in my case is Service Autopilot with applicant tags. So basically, you direct them. You say right on the ad, do not apply through Craigslist, do not apply through Indeed, apply through our website and click this link. So right off the bat, you're going to lose half the people that are going to waste your time. And I set up filters in Gmail, so anyone who does apply through Indeed just gets deleted, because right off the bat, those people do not know how to follow instructions. They're too lazy to read the ad, so they're completely wasting your time. So by then, you're going to get a shorter list of about half the applicants who actually know how to follow instructions, fill out an application through your website. On top of that, for the landscaping for RI Lawns, we actually make them call between a certain time for a phone interview. And most people, out of the half that are left, another half the people, or probably more than half the people, probably 75% of the people, aren't going to call you. So you're automatically going to eliminate them, so you're not going to have to even deal with talking to these people. And remember, all this stuff is happening without you doing anything. You're already eliminating, more than, probably 80 to 90% of your applicants through these processes where you don't lift a finger. So anyway, we have them call in. What I'm doing for Ready Business Systems is I have people, I list them some videos to read, and have them email me with a summary of what they learned and why they think they're a good fit for the job, cover letters, that sort of thing. So now there are different filters to eliminate people, so you don't have to, you can be really efficient and not waste your time. And then our next step with back to the RI Lawns is that they'll do the phone interview. And then if they actually call in, then we'll schedule an in-person interview. And if then they show up to because that's a whole nother step, showing up to an actual interview. So we don't do, part of the smaller purpose of having them do interviews is to get to know them, obviously, get to know their experience, but really you can gain that off a resume, get to know them as a person. But I'd say the majority of the reason is just to filter them out. So by the time you actually expect that person to show up to work, there's much more higher probability they're going to show up to work and do what they said they're going to do and be more committed, because they had to work harder to get the job. So the whole idea is you want to make them work hard and make it really difficult to apply for a job. So they're only going to do it if they're serious about it. You're not going to get a bunch of crap leads. So my automation and Service Autopilot for applicants follows all these processes. If it's not posted yet, it's scheduled to post down the road. But definitely, applying filters, you can apply the same concepts to your customers as well. Just making sure you're getting, only the more serious people who are more committed to work for you or to buy from you. All right, that's it. I'll catch you guys next time. Check out the website, readybusinesssystems.com.